Viewers, today I was telling about how to download videos on Instagram. For that, we need to go to Instagram account, and here I was seeing a reel. So here I was clicking on share option. After clicking on share option, here we have the option of download. Here you can see the download option. Without using software, we can download the video like this. If you click on that, means the video will be downloaded to your Instagram account. And again, I was showing another video also, and here we have another video. Again, I was click on share option. So here some videos will be they will be provided option to download. Some reels we did not have. So here I was trying another video also. So here you can see we have the download option. So again I was clicking on download option. Like this you can download our Instagram videos without any software. Thank you.